If you're always juggling work, school, or side hustles, you know every second counts. That's why today, we've rounded up 12 smart gadgets that are all about one thing: getting more done with less hassle. From ergonomic desk gear to time-saving tech tools, each item on this list is designed to make your day smoother, faster, and just a little bit better. Whether you're upgrading your home office or leveling up your daily workflow, there's something here for you. And yes, as always, all the links are given in the description. Let's dive in. If you work at a desk all day, lighting can either help or hurt your productivity. The BenQ Screen Bar Halo solves. It lights up your workspace without taking up room or shining directly into your eyes. The built-in backlight reduces screen contrast, which means less eye strain during long sessions with auto-dimming, adjustable color temperature, and a wireless control dial. It's built to help you focus without distraction, whether you're editing, writing, or on Zoom calls all day. This lighting upgrade makes a real difference. Let's be real, sitting all day isn't doing anyone any favors. That's where this electric standing desk comes in. With just one button, you can switch between sitting and standing, which helps you stay more alert and less stiff throughout the day. It's built solid and gives you enough room for your monitors, laptop, and whatever else you've got going on. If you work from home or spend hours at a desk, this one's a game changer for comfort and focus. This one's a lifesaver for creators, streamers, and anyone juggling a bunch of apps all day. The Elgato Stream Deck gives you 15 customizable keys you can program to do just about anything launch apps. Switch scenes, control lights, send shortcuts, even post tweets. It cuts down your clicks and keeps everything running smoother. It's easy to set up, super responsive, and the keys have a satisfying feel to them. Whether you're live streaming or just trying to make your workflow quicker, this little panel turns your desk into a command center. If you're still hunched over your laptop, it's time for an upgrade. The Omoton laptop stand props your screen to eye level, which instantly improves posture and helps reduce neck and back strain. It's made from sturdy aluminum, holds up to 22 pounds, and fits most laptops from 10 to 15.6 inches. What's cool is it's detachable, so it packs flat when you need to travel or clear desk space. Plus, the open design helps keep your laptop cool by letting air flow underneath. Simple, strong, and actually helpful, this one earns its spot on the desk. Number 5. Cold hands at your desk. This gadget fixes that fast. The Schuinair Desktop Hand Warmer sits right on your desk and gently warms your hands while you work. It has adjustable heat settings, a timer, and a quiet fan that pushes warm air exactly where you need it. No loud hum, no overheating. It's compact, modern-looking, and safe to use around your laptop or paperwork. Whether you're working from home or in a chilly office, this little heater keeps you focused and comfortable. Once you try it, you won't want to work without it. Let's be real, phones are getting bigger, but our hands aren't. The PopSocket's Pop Grip is a simple fix with a big payoff. Snap it on the back of your phone, and suddenly you've got a secure grip for texting, scrolling, or taking selfies without the finger gymnastics. It also doubles as a kickstand for hands-free viewing and comes in tons of styles. The best part? It's swappable. Change out the top anytime without replacing the whole base. It's small, affordable, and once you use one, you'll wonder how you ever held your phone without it. Tired of cords tangled all over your kitchen or office counter? This Anquen outlet has a smart solution. It hides below the surface and pops up with a light tap, revealing 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-A, 2 USB-C ports, and even a 15-volt wireless charger on top. When you're done, press it down to tuck everything away and reclaim your workspace. It's easy to install. Cut a 4.7-inch hole in your countertop, insert it, and tighten the base underneath. When hidden, the top still works as a wireless phone charger, perfect for keeping your counter clean and device ready. Whether you're cooking, working, or entertaining, this built-in power station keeps things tidy and charged. Number 8. If your desk or nightstand looks a little cold or cluttered, this wooden digital clock adds style and function. It's got a clean, minimalist design with a bright LED display that shows the time, temperature, and humidity. You can adjust the brightness or even set it to auto-dim at night, so no harsh glow when you're trying to sleep. Whether you're working, relaxing, or trying to keep a clean setup, this clock fits right in. Simple, smart, and a small touch that makes your space feel a lot more put together. Number 9. Crumbs, dust, paper scraps. They all pile up when you're working hard. This little gadget makes cleanup way less annoying. The Odistar desktop vacuum is small, cordless, and rechargeable. Just turn it on and roll it across your desk. It sucks up the mess quickly without needing a full-size vacuum. The 360-degree rotatable design makes it easy to maneuver around keyboards. It's quiet, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful for the size. Plus, it's kind of satisfying to use, like a fidget toy that actually cleans.
Perfect for anyone who snacks at their desk or wants to keep their workspace neat without much effort.
If you've been waiting to jump into virtual reality, this is your moment.
The MetaQuest 3S is lighter, faster, and more comfortable than ever.
It doesn't need a PC or wires. Just put it on, power it up, and dive into games, fitness, or productivity apps. The 4K Plus display and improved pass-through let you blend your physical and digital space with insane clarity. From immersive gaming to virtual meetings, this headset can actually change how you work and play. Whether you're slashing beats, sculpting in 3D, or exploring new worlds, this gadget takes you way beyond the screen. If sticky notes are piling up or you're always scribbling on scraps, this clean little upgrade is for you. This glass desktop whiteboard gives you a modern, reusable surface for quick notes, reminders, or to-dos, right where you need it. The angled design fits under your monitor and even has storage space inside for markers and small office items. It's sleek, minimal, and wipes clean without leaving stains. Whether you're planning your day or jotting down ideas during a call, this gadget keeps your thoughts organized and visible. If you sit for hours at your desk, comfort isn't a luxury, it's a must. The Trelt Ergonomic office chair is built to support your posture with a mesh back, adjustable lumbar support, and a contoured seat that keeps you comfortable all day. The headrest tilts, the armrests move, and the chair reclines so you can adjust everything to fit you. The breathable materials help keep things cool, and sturdy base means it holds up even with daily use. Whether you're working, gaming, or just relaxing, this chair gives your back the support it deserves. That's it for today's list. If even one of these gadgets can make your day a little easier, that's a win. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart finds like these. Catch you in the next one! Thanks for watching.